Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we're going to be unboxing the Alienware 420K 10 keyless keyboard. And if you're wondering what a 10 keyless keyboard is, it's basically a keyboard without the numeric keypad. And what that does is it gives you the ability to optimize your desk space. So now I can take this keyboard, tuck it in if I'm gaming, using the WASD keys. I now have more room to track with my mouse across my desk space. So really, this 10 keyless keyboard is something we've been asking for a very long time. So it's great that we're going to take a look at it right now. Let's jump right in. All right, so I've got the keyboard right here. Let's go ahead and cut the seals. And we'll take a look at the keyboard right now. Slide that out, place this aside. Ooh-wee. So we have our 10 keyless keyboard right here. Let's take a look at what's in the box there. We do have a wonderful Alienware decal there. We do have a quick start guide, some regulatory safety environment things there. Let's go back to taking a look at the cable. It's tucked away right here, which is pretty slick. And we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. Nice little cable wrap. And let's go ahead and take a look at the keyboard. So one of the beautiful things with our 420K keyboard is you will see the beautiful cherry MX switches, which are just absolutely incredible in terms of the feel, tactile feedback. When you think about the keys itself, they've been tested for 100 million actuations, so you're going to get the full life out of this keyboard. One of the cool things that we've also done is you're going to see double shot PBT keycaps featuring 2 layers of plastic and key legends molded into the cap to really give you dependable durability and wear resistance. So if you think about gaming for those long stints, over a very long time, you don't have to worry about, your keyboard starting to peel or some nicks, but really awesome in terms of the overall feel of it. Looking at the back of it, so you do have your feet, your risers. So if I wanted to raise that or place it directly on the keyboard onto the table, you're able to do that. From a cable management perspective, it is USB Type-C, so you can go ahead and plug that in there. And then depending on where your USB-A input is, if it's either on this side of the keyboard or not, on the other side, you're able to route your cables to really give you that clean look and feel. But that is it. This would be the brand new Alienware 420K keyboard featuring the awesome cherry MX switches. These are really incredible switches that give you the full tactile feedback. When you think about the keyboard again, no full-size numeric keyboard. You still do have your discrete volume buttons here, your full arrow keys, WASD over here, RGB lighting if I haven't already mentioned that. Check out Alienware Command Center. You'll be able to customize the color schemas. But that is it. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am back. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. Share this video. You'll be seeing new content on a regular basis now. Take care. Thanks so much. Bye now.